The Redmi Note 14, while offering decent specifications for its price, may not be the best option to choose in 2025 due to several competitive and contextual factors. By this time, mid-range smartphones are expected to feature advancements such as higher refresh rate AMOLED displays, faster charging, and improved camera systems with AI capabilities as standard. However, the Redmi Note 14 might lag behind its competitors in critical areas like build quality, software optimization, or offering only incremental upgrades compared to its predecessor. Additionally, competing brands are likely to provide better value with features such as IP ratings for durability, larger RAM and storage configurations, and a more refined user experience with clean and responsive interfaces. The rise of 5G as a standard also means that consumers will demand more robust connectivity options and efficient performance, where the Redmi Note 14 could fall short compared to similarly priced models from brands that aggressively innovate and price their devices. Hence, unless it offers groundbreaking features, it risks being overshadowed in a crowded mid-range market.